Preferred names, preferred pronouns, parental rights, those are all hot topics in the field of education. And we're going to look at those today in an article with a headline that reads, "Florida teacher is fired after calling student by their preferred name." What exactly are the circumstances of this particular incident? We're going to answer that question here in this video, but before we get to that, I have a quick favor to ask. If you could please like this video, that will help me out here on the channel, and if you enjoy this kind of content, don't forget to subscribe. The article says a teacher has been fired after calling a student by their preferred name instead of their legal one. Melissa Calhoun, who taught at Satellite High School in Satellite Beach, will not have her contract renewed for the next academic year after breaking one of the state's controversial parental rights legislation. The incident has sparked outrage among students and parents who say she was just being compassionate. The teacher's dismissal stems from a 2023 Florida law requiring written parental permission before educators can use a student's preferred name. Brevard Public Schools has claimed Calhoun knowingly failed to obtain such permission. The school district insists Calhoun was aware of the requirements but chose to disregard them. This reportedly resulted in a formal letter of reprimand after the student's parents complained. Chief Strategic Communications Officer for Brevard Public Schools said in a statement that Brevard Public Schools was made aware that a teacher at Satellite High School had been referring to a student by a name other than their legal name without parental permission when the parent reached out to us. This directly violates state law and the district's standardized process for written parental consent. BPS supports parents' rights to be the primary decision makers in their children's lives, and Florida law affirms their right to be informed. Regardless of how you feel about parents' rights, the law is the law. And if you as a teacher are going to knowingly violate that law and go against your school's policies, you kind of got to see this coming. It's for this reason that honestly, I do not feel bad for this teacher. However, the reason I want to make this video is because this is a cautionary tale for a lot of you teachers out there who do not take this issue seriously. I understand that you might believe parents' rights need to be restricted and that schools don't need to disclose certain information to parents. However, this is the law in some states, and if you knowingly violate them, such as this teacher did, there will be consequences. Personally, I do believe in parents' rights. I believe parents should be informed about issues at school. They should be included in events at school. They are stakeholders. We need more parental involvement, not less. And I know that there are many people out there who disagree with me on this issue. That's fine. And you know what? I reserve the right to change my opinion and my beliefs on this at any time. However, in this specific case, the law is the law, and you can shove all opinions aside because it's not going to change the outcome of this situation. Anyways, I'm not going to go on and spread the gospel of parents' rights. I would rather hear what you believe about it, and that's why I'm asking that now you leave your ideas down in the comment section below. What do you think about this issue? What do you think about parents' rights? Where do you stand on it? Let me know. Also, do not forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to the channel if you enjoy this kind of educational content. Even if you disagree with me, that's fine. Let's debate just a little bit in the comments. That's all I have for you in this video. See you in the next one.